In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password very easily within your Gmail account. So probably you are expecting some attacks, or you are experiencing some attacks or possible counter with your email, and you want to change your password. All you need within your account, this is my Gmail. I can come all the way to the account or profile icon over here. I can just click on it. I can come to manage Google account, and it is going to bring me over here. All right. So you can come to my passwords. And then once you click here, if you want to change your password, this is the time. You can type in the new password. Once you finish typing, and you can just confirm the new password. You can just go ahead, type in the new one. But mind you, you have to abide by the rules, okay? If you want to view the password, you can click here to view it, so you'll be able to see exactly. But then you have to make it as strong as you can, okay? So include numbers. Try to include numbers, and then it has to be at least 8 characters, okay? So you can repeat the same thing. You can paste in the same password if you will know how to retype this. So it has to be exactly, and it matches. When it matches, you can just click on change password, and now you have your change password, so you can log in again using the new password. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.